everyone, welcome to this next lesson in coding fundamentals. It's called Polar Bear Rescue. So we're going to do a quick recap of what we did during the last lesson, and then we're going to look at some new programming fundamentals for this lesson. Okay, so let's have a look then. So what did we do last lesson? We looked at what is an algorithm. Okay, we talked about what does the agent destroy block do, and what is sequencing, and what did loops help you to do in the previous lesson. Okay, so have a little think about those questions. You can have a little talk to the person beside you. Maybe if you have a whiteboard, maybe write down some answers and see if we can do that. Okay, so I'm going to give you a few minutes and then you can have a go. Okay, so what is an algorithm then? So an algorithm, of course, is a set of instructions to complete a task. Okay, so what does the agent destroy block do? Well, last lesson we used the agent destroy block to clean up the beach, so the little seals could get to the water. And what is sequencing? Making sure we follow steps in the correct order, making sure that we do one thing after the other, and so making sure that everything does it the right way. Okay. And then what did loops help us do? So loops was those things that we used to help us to do things that we're repeating, and we're going to look at loops again today. I'm going to add another block, another part of the programming algorithmic thinking steps today. So okay, so loops helped us to do things that the computer can do very quickly, which is repeat things over and over. Okay, so let's have a look then at what we're going to do today. So today we're going to use the coding concepts of loops again, and we're going to look at what's called conditions or conditionals to complete a task. And we're going to talk a bit about what a conditional is. Okay, of course, but then we'll test and debug as always, taking out any errors in our code, and of course we will embrace a coding mindset, breaking down problems, making sure that we follow instructions. Okay. So like I said before, key vocabulary for this lesson is a loop. So doing something over and over again. It's a very important programming concept, being able to repeat instructions so then you don't have to keep writing them out over and over again. Computers are very good at that. They're very good at repeating things. Conditional is a new one for today. So conditional means that it tells a program to do different actions depending on whether a condition is true or a condition is false. Okay, and it's represented by these this symbol here, this shape here. Okay, so we're going to use these new blocks. We're going to have a while true block, and we're going to have an agent detect block. So the while true is also a condition typed loop. So while something is true, then you do this task repeatedly. This one, if the agent detects something, then it's going to do something. So it's an if then statement. Okay, so if then. So our goal for today then, we are Arctic investigate reports of a baby polar bear that's been separated from its family. Rising glacial temperatures are causing more and more of the Arctic to melt away, causing the life of the polar bear to be much more difficult due to the lack of ice to live on and dwindling food supplies. Okay, so we've got to save our little polar bear today. So let's see what we need to do that. So we're going to head to this location, and then we're going to start our game. Okay, so we'll switch over to the Minecraft Education. Okay, so here we are. So again, we need to just make that a little bit bigger. Okay, so we're just going to switch over to Minecraft Education, and we're going to click on play. We're going to go to view library like we did before, subject kits, computer science, and we're going to look at coding with blocks, and we're going to do upper primary, and we're going to be doing that's wrong, upper primary coding fundamentals where we were before. Okay, again, I'm on a keyboard and mouse, so I'm going to use a keyboard and mouse. If you're on an iPad, you can just use the touch controls. And we're looking at lesson 3 today, Polar Bear Rescue. Okay, so and click on create world. Okay, so let's head to Dr. Barwin and let's see what he wants today. So welcome to the home of one of my favorite kinds of bears, Urus martimus, or how you might know them as polar bears. The ice in here is in the Arctic has been melting at a record pace due to historically high temperatures. I can hear them in the background. This causes the polar bears to have to search further from their home to find food. We've located a polar bear cub who's been separated from his family. Head down and see if you can reunite them. I'll wait up here and be ready to help in case you need any help. Call over the radio. Okay, so I'm ready. Let's do it. Okay, so it says look at the tracks. They seem to lead into the avalanche. We need to get through the snow to see where we want to see the cubs. Okay, so let's head towards there. Okay, so we need to get through here somewhere. Okay, let's see. Okay, looks like I can't get up there. Yeah. Okay, so we need to find some way to get up there. Different things we can do there. Let's see if we have some code to help us. Aha, there we go. Took us a bit of time to work it out this time. So, program the agent to dig a path without knowing how far it has to go using a while loop. The agent needs to destroy up and forward. Okay, we can click here for a hint. Well, that's good. I might need that hint actually for you to be able to walk through the snow. When you're done, press the play button to compile. Don't forget to run your code in Minecraft. Okay, so let's have a look at the hint. Look at the coding snippets, shapes. When you snap them together, use the agent move forward. Okay, so we're going to do on chat command cub while move forward. So we need to do something. I think we need to destroy whatever we see in front of us so we can get through. So let's see, does that work? Let's hit play there. So I'll just recap that. So while the agent detects a block forward, we're going to destroy the block forward. Okay, so let's see, does that work? Okay, so type in the chat command, go to T, type in cub this time, press enter. There we go. Okay, so we did miss something there. I think we need to move forward as well, don't we? So let's try that again. Let's reset it using the radio. And yeah, reset it. There we go, it's reset. So yeah, we can do that then. And let's try that again. So let's go C. So we want to destroy forward, but we also want to move forward. Okay, so move forward by 1. That should do it. Yeah, destroy. Okay, excellent. So while it detects a block, destroy the block and move forward. That should get us going. Okay. And let's again type T, type in cub. Okay, how do I fit in here? Okay, so maybe I need to destroy above as well. So let's try that again. Reset it. Okay, and let's do that again. And we want to put agent destroy up as well. So up and forward, so there's enough space for me to fit in. Let's try that. And type in cub. Okay, so we're going to type T, C-U-B. Oh, didn't work for some reason. Let's try it again. T, cub, enter. No. Let's try it again. T, C, U, B. There we go. Okay, we've got it. We can fit, hopefully. There's one at the top there. Again, we'll have to have another go at this. Let's reset it again, and we'll do it the other way around. Okay, so forward and then up, up and then forward. Okay, let's try it. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so forward, up. So if we switch these around, let's see, does that work? So then we have to destroy up and forward while it detects a block. Let's try it and see. Okay, T cub. I think we may still have a problem with this. Let's try it and see. Yeah, okay. Still not quite there, so I've got one more try I think I'll do. So this one, I'm going to just add another line at the bottom, right at the end. I'm just going to destroy up. That should do it. Let's try that again. CUB. Yes, well done. We got it. There's our cub. Okay. Okay, now what do we have to do? So activity 2. And there's our cub. We found them. We have to build a bridge, I think. So this one, the programmed agent to build a bridge across the chasm in the ice uses the set block or item to ensure that the agent has the necessary materials in inventory. So we have to give them agents of inventory. Select oak as the building material on 64th amount of blocks. While the agent does not detect blocks down, program the agent to place oak planks down and move forward. Okay, so count. So we should have 64 in there. In slot 1 is fine. Agent move forward by 1. So now we need to place block, set. Okay. Detect. Oh, place. Agent place down, I think it is. And then we need to move forward. While not agent detect block down, place agent place down. Okay, and then agent move forward. Okay, so that should work. Let's see if we get there. Okay. T, type in cub. Oh, maybe I have to do something else. See, skip. Oh, chasm we have to type this time. Okay, let's try it. T, CHASM, and enter. Yes, we did it. Well done. Okay, this one then. Let's see. We need to. Let's see what it says here. Type C there. Okay, so So we're going to do the next one. So if I just switch back here for a second and go here. So just a quick coding concept here. What it means, so while loops, while the agent is doing something, another command will occur. So let's think of it as while you're walking on the beach, for example, you're detecting seashells, okay? What is the agent trying to detect in this algorithm? Of course, it was trying to detect if there was any floor. If not, then it was trying to then build something on the ground. Okay, so that was our while loop. Okay, let's go back and let's start. Okay, so let's see what our challenge is now. So program the agent to build a tower with oak blocks that is 10 blocks high. First ensure the agent has 64 blocks. Okay, we can do that using the set block item. Program the agent to place oak blanks forward, left and right by using the agent place block. The agent needs to move up after placing the blocks. Okay. Bit of a more challenging one, this one then. Is there a part 2 or something, is there? Maybe. Program. Oh, then we have to program the agent to move down. We have to move up the tower first. So we need to take agent set block, and we need to set it to oak. Here we go, oak, and we need to have 64. Okay, in slot 1. Program the agent to place the oak blocks forward, left, and right. Okay, we can look at the hint. We can use a repeat loop. Okay, so we want to use repeat here, and we want to use it 10 blocks high, so we're going to do it 10 times. We're going to place, and we're going to use place again, and place again. This time we're going to do place forward, we're going to do left and right, and we're going to do move. So move agent, we got it, actually I have it there. Move agent up by 1. Okay, so on command chat command run agent.setBlock items count 64, repeat 10 times. This time it's not a condition, we're going to do it 10 times, so it's a repeat loop, we call that. And we'll place the forward, left and right, and then move up. So if I do T and run, there we go. Okay, so I think there's another bit to this. So part 2 is up here. Program the agent to move down the tower and construct a ladder that is 10 blocks. Okay, so we need to get rid of this then. And this time we need to have a ladder, is it? There we go, ladder. And instead of moving up this time, we need to program the agent to place forward and then move the agent down by 1. Down. Okay, so it's going to place this forward and then move down. Okay, so let's try that and see. T run. Oh, okay, so let's try it. Oh, we'd reset the whole thing. Okay, it's not too hard to do again anyway. Okay, skip command. Okay, that wasn't what we wanted, but let's see. Oak. Okay, and place it. And then we could probably do this all together actually. So place forward. Place forward. Place forward. So it's going to be place forward, place left, place right, And then we're going to move up. So player, move agent up by 1. Okay, and then we can also just put the other part in here as well. So we're going to move down then 10 times. And we're going to, first of all, move the agent down by 1. And we need to set some more of these as well, actually. So this time we're going to set the block to ladder. So this will do the whole thing in one go, hopefully. I'm going to give it 64 as well. Like that. And this time we're going to do place forward. Okay, so move down by 1 and then place. So let's see, does that work? T and run. There we go. Here's the top. Yes, we did it. Okay, excellent. Okay, so that gets us to the last activity, I think, which is the bonus activity. Okay, so if you've got this far, well done, and we'll now try the bonus activity. Okay, and welcome to today's bonus activity. So you can see it's quite a big challenge. So what you need to do is get all the polar bears to the center here, so the baby polar bear can reach them. So you need to build a path across here, then to the right, then straight ahead, and then to the left, and then up forward again, and then to the right. So build a path like this. Try it and see.